Let's celebrate when good things happen to good people and good companies.
We got a great team of people, we've got great leadership.
Rhode Island State Senate hereby offers its sincerest congratulations to
Recently, we got awarded from Inc. magazine's the top 5,000 companies in America, and we are one of 7 companies in Rhode Island that were awarded this. And we applied for it, I guess, months and months ago, forgot about it. Also, congratulations, you're one of 7 companies in the whole state. Our local senator, Dave Tikoian, came by, gave us a Senate citation, awarding us a great award, and we were very happy about that. So Dave texted me yesterday, he said, hey, congratulations, you're one of 7 companies in Rhode Island that made the Inc. magazine 5,000. And I was like, I don't know what Dave's talking about, right? So how'd you hear about it?
I'm an avid reader of the Providence Journal, and I saw a local company, from my hometown of Smithfield. I'm like, wow. And being from the hometown of Smithfield, I want to congratulate you. So,
and I appreciate that very much. It was very touching that you took the time to set it out for.
And, let's celebrate when good things happen to good people and good companies. And coming from this town, just recently, the Smithfield Little League, right? Everybody could get behind that. They were winners. We celebrated that. The Smithfield High School football team, they went undefeated season. So I always like to use the term hard work works. And there's no question that this didn't happen by accident. It's by putting in the hard work. I just wanted to take a moment and come by and say congratulations. And I was able to get a citation from the state of Rhode Island. Be it hereby known to all that the Rhode Island State Senate hereby offers its sincerest congratulations to Nathan Clark and Associates Smithfield. In acknowledgement of your home sold guaranteed realty being recognized by Inc. magazines as one of the fastest growing companies in America, Nathan Clark and Associates has distinguished themselves to being only one of 7 Rhode Island companies receiving this auspicious designation. Congratulations and keep up the great work. And it's signed by the Senate President, the Senate Leader, and myself.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's hard work and it's a lot of hours, weekends, holidays, nights, and so forth. And I know that you support a lot of families here, and small business is the backbone. So I try to promote legislation that helps small business, and it's great to see the fruits of the labor and the success story like your company has. So
well, it's great people that I have to work with every day, and they get me going and get me excited to go to work.
Keep getting on that train and keep pushing it forward. So congratulations to each and every one of you.
It's nice to be able to get awards. Our big vision is to build quality lives, and that's what we go at, and that's what we try to do every single day. But it's nice to get these awards to really justify the work that we do and be able to get, a pat on the back from the community.